For our first category, the Animal, Wildlife, and Marine Welfare Award, proudly sponsored by Disney. Please welcome Disney's SVP Brand Sales, Mike Denby.
Good evening, everyone. I'm honored to be here tonight to present the Animal, Wildlife, and Marine Welfare Award. This category is dedicated to supporting animals in every way we can, from finding forever homes for animals in need to fostering the growth of native species in their natural habitats. These charities offer invaluable assistance and support that would otherwise not be available. And I am thrilled to introduce tonight's finalists: the Marine Mammal Care Center in Los Angeles, and a Yakasata, I messed that up, I knew I was going to. I am sorry, but Wolfpack Sanctuary. Receiving their fully customized Defender, the 130 SUV, and $25,000, the winner of the Animal, Wildlife, Marine Welfare Award is, I'm not going to screw it up this time, Yanakasaka.
Well, did not ever think we would actually get here. Throughout this whole process, I've kind of just been like, no, this won't actually happen. Like, someone doesn't give you a brand new vehicle and this amount of money, so we're not going to prepare a speech because that doesn't actually happen, right? Here we are. Well, a huge thank you to Defender, Chase, and Disney for doing what they do. I sincerely hope you guys continue this program as long as possible, because I don't know if you guys understand the impact that something like this has on organizations. So thank you so much. Also want to send a thank you to Land Rover Royal Oak, who's the one who kind of tipped us off about submitting an entry to begin with. All our staff, all our followers, and everyone who took the time to vote for us and kind of get us to this point. Thank you so much.